In Dino Valley, a tiny dog named Max is lost and scared. Suddenly, a T-Rex appears, and Max is frozen in fear. But a gentle Brachiosaurus named Bronto comes to the rescue. Bronto assures Max, "You're safe with me," as they escape. But danger lurks. A swift velociraptor leaps at them. Bronto stands tall, urging Max to run for safety. Max races through the trees, splashing in the mud. Finally, they reach a mysterious glowing portal. Max turns to Bronto, his eyes filled with gratitude. Bronto smiles and says, "You're braver than you think." With a wag of his tail, Max jumps through the portal. Max lands safely back home, his adventure a cherished memory. Remember, true heroes come in all sizes, even tiny dogs.